Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best offerings in outdoor lighting, the 66FT200 LED solar rope lights by SINGCHUNGTE. If you're looking to spruce up your outdoor spaces with some dazzling illumination, stick around because we've got you covered. Let's kick things off with an overview. These solar rope lights are designed to transform any outdoor setting with their 200 LED bulbs spanning across 66 feet. They boast a durable and flexible design, perfect for wrapping around trees, railings, or anywhere you need that magical glow. What sets these lights apart? Well, first off, they're completely solar powered, meaning no hassle with electrical outlets or running up your energy bill. Just let them soak up the sun during the day and enjoy up to 10 hours of illumination at night. Plus, they're equipped with an IP65 waterproof rating, ensuring they can withstand the elements without any issues. Installing these lights is a breeze. Simply unravel the rope, position it where you want, and secure it using the included mounting clips. The flexibility of the rope allows for creative installations, whether you're decorating for a party, wedding, or just adding some ambiance to your patio. These lights aren't just for show, they're practical too. Use them to light up pathways, highlight landscaping features, or create a cozy atmosphere on your deck. With 8 lighting modes to choose from, including steady on and various flashing patterns, you can tailor the ambiance to suit any occasion. You might be wondering about their durability. Rest assured, the thick plastic tubing ensures longevity, even in harsh weather conditions. They're designed to last, backed by a robust build quality and thoughtful features like built-in fuses for safety. What are customers saying? With a solid 4.4-star rating from hundreds of satisfied users, these lights have garnered praise for their ease of use, brightness, and reliability. If you ever encounter an issue, SINGCHUNGTE offers responsive customer service to resolve any concerns promptly. Now, how do these stack up against other options? Compared to traditional string lights, the solar-powered functionality gives you the freedom to place them anywhere without worrying about power outlets. They're also more energy efficient and eco-friendly, contributing to sustainable outdoor lighting solutions. In conclusion, if you're in the market for versatile, durable, and energy-efficient outdoor lighting, look no further than the 66FT200 LED solar rope lights by SINGCHUNGTE. Whether it's for everyday use or special occasions, these lights deliver on both style and substance, making them a standout choice. That wraps up our review of these fantastic solar rope lights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews like this. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you've used similar products before. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay illuminated.